Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson in a bit of a breeze here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tai Chi tip is to consider how in our arts, whether they're Tai Chi Chuan or some other Chinese internal martial art, or indeed external martial art, consider how the the fauna is kind of divided in two categories. There's the actual and there's the mythical. Right? There's the accessible and the imagined. And when a mythological being is, let's say, created, described, it will be described in part, in terms of its qualities, what it represents. That might be speed, it might be vision, it might be virtue, it might be strength, it might be size, it might be morphability, whatever that might be. But anyway, today's Tai Chuan tip is to study a bit of mythology, get yourself inspired, study a bit of the natural world, get yourself inspired. Maybe a mythological creature is one that comprises a few qualities of a few different animals, so those qualities aren't generally recognized together. Maybe they take on a whole new quality, like the dragon takes on a whole new quality, or the pung bird, or the Thai bird. So um, maybe it's a normal animal, but it's a whole different size, like a kurma, for example. So today, the Tàijíquán tip is for you to invent your own mythological animal. Perhaps you'd like to give it a name, describe it, draw it, I don't know. But see if you can practice manifesting its qualities, or practice in the light of its qualities, so inspired by its qualities, and have a little bit of fun with it, right? All by yourself, come up with a being, a creature, if you will, who represents certain qualities. Maybe those qualities feel negative to you, maybe positive, but enjoy that. And, let's give back a little bit, and then let's give back a little bit more until the giving back is a lot. Love. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you, thank you, thank you.